Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our Q&A with Dr. Niki Davis. My name is Chandler Rosenberg, Managing Director of Plant Based Utah. Welcome, Dr. Davis.
Thank you so much. Hello.
We've got a great question this week. Can a whole food plant-based diet be helpful for teens with acne?
Okay, so interestingly, acne is something that we find more often in industrialized countries. So places especially where we eat more of a Western type diet. So the standard American diet, the SAD diet, lots of meats and cheeses and processed foods, lots of oil, lots of sugar, things like that. The teens in those areas tend to have more acne. So when you actually look at the studies, they find that some of the things that seem to be specifically linked to acne in teens is dairy products. So this is something that's been studied pretty extensively. There are multiple studies that show significantly more acne in teens who consume dairy. The other thing is just excess fat and excess calories have been also shown to, when people are taking in more fat and more calories, they tend to have more acne. Now, one of the things that we do find is that in populations where people eat more plant foods, and plant foods higher in carbohydrates, higher in fiber, low in fat, low processed or no processed, so mainly in their whole plant form, that those populations of people have very little acne. So it seems that in populations where people are eating a lot more plant foods and a lot fewer animal foods, that there is a lot less acne in those populations. And interestingly, what we also see is that people who come from areas where they might have more plant foods in their diets, like maybe in like a Japanese culture where there's a lot more rice and vegetables and fewer animal products, that those people who have less acne, that if they move to a more westernized country and start eating that more Western diet, that their rates of acne actually increase up to the level of whatever country or area they're living in. So it seems to be definitely lifestyle related and especially triggered through diet.
Seems like the Western diet is causing all sorts of problems across the
unfortunately, and it's spreading.
Thank you so much, Dr. Davis. And thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you next week. If you have a question you'd like to ask, leave it in the comments. Thank you.
Thanks.